All right, it's time for our tropical thoughts, and we've got some things to think about right here. This is Tropical Storm Fiona, and it's really starting to see some nice convection. Those darker colors, those are the thunderstorms, and the more of those we see around that core, the healthier that storm looks. Now, it's still got about 500-600 miles until it gets to the Windward and Leeward Islands, and it is moving west at about 13-14 miles per hour. Let's take a look at the latest 5 o'clock information. 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds. There's that motion to the west at 13. Internal pressure 1,002 millibars. Not super deep just yet. When that starts to dip into the 900s and maybe gets down to the 980s, now we start talking about a storm that's really strengthening. We'll watch and see if that can happen. But over the next few days, as it gets over there towards those islands, it's going to interact with that land, and that usually limits how the storm is able to progress and strengthen. Now, most of the indications I'm seeing is that someplace out here by the Bahamas, we're going to notice a little something that helps to turn this to the north. The sooner that turn to the north happens, that's always better for the United States. Could be better for a lot of those islands of the Caribbean and the Bahamas too. We'll have to watch and see. We've got plenty of time. Right now, they've got some tropical storm watches and warnings up for some of those islands. A great idea. We'll keep our eyes on it, and we'll have updates for you. This should not impact our forecast, but it does serve a good reminder. We're still in that point during the season, and these things, they do start to pop up.